Are you tired of laptops that look incredibly flashy on the outside, but completely fail to handle real heavy-duty workloads when you actually need them to perform? Whether you're a software developer compiling massive amounts of code, a business professional crunching through endless complex spreadsheets, or just someone who needs a highly reliable, ultra-fast machine for everyday use, you're going to want to pay very close attention to this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the brand new 2026 edition of the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 3. This is not just another standard laptop hitting the market. It is an AI-ready powerhouse that comes packed with the incredibly fast Intel Core Ultra 7 255H processor, blazing fast DDR5 memory, and that legendary, highly sought-after ThinkPad durability. In this video, we're going to break down everything from the classic design and the stunning 16-inch display to the top-tier performance metrics and exactly why this might be the absolute best business laptop you can buy right now. And hey, if at any point during this video you decide that this is the perfect machine for your workflow, I have dropped a special link in the description below where you can check the current pricing and grab it directly on Amazon. Clicking that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you so much for that. Now, let us dive right into the review. Let us start by talking about the overall design and build quality, because this is the first thing you notice when you take it out of the box. Lenovo knows exactly who their target audience is, and with the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 3, they have proudly stuck to that iconic, professional, matte black clamshell design. It screams serious business, but in the absolute best way possible. It's sleek, understated, and commands respect in any boardroom or coffee shop. Despite packing a massive 16-inch screen, this laptop is surprisingly portable and easy to manage. It comes in at just 3.8 pounds and is only 0.67 inches thick. To put that into perspective for you, having a 16-inch powerhouse that weighs under 4 pounds makes it incredibly easy to slide into your backpack or briefcase without breaking your back during your daily commute. The specific dimensions are 14.01 inches long by 9.8 inches wide, making it slim enough for constant travel, but substantial enough to serve as your primary everyday desktop replacement. And of course, because this carries the ThinkPad name, you know for a fact that it is built to last. It feels incredibly rigid and premium, ready to withstand the daily bumps, drops, and rigors of business trips and hybrid work environments. Now, let us open the lid and talk about the centerpiece of this machine, which is that gorgeous 16-inch display. You were looking at a brilliant IPS LED screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. I want you to notice that specific resolution for a second. 1920 by 1200 means this laptop features a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. If you're a developer, a technical writer, or someone who works in data entry all day long, this is a massive game-changing upgrade over the older standard 16 by 9 screens. It gives you significantly more vertical screen real estate. That means you can see more lines of code at a single glance, read more rows of financial data, and review much longer documents with far less scrolling. While this is a non-touch display, the IPS panel technology ensures that your viewing angles are absolutely fantastic, and the colors remain crisp, vibrant, and highly accurate no matter how you're looking at the screen. Paired with its built-in HD audio, the media experience is top-notch. Whether you're presenting a digital pitch to a high-end client, jumping on a 2-hour Zoom call with your remote team, or just kicking back to watch your favorite movie after a long day of work, the audio-visual experience on this ThinkPad is highly reliable and exceptionally clear. But a laptop is really only as good as the engine running inside it, and this is where the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 truly distances itself from the competition. Powering this 2026 edition is the highly anticipated Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor. Just listen to these technical specifications for a moment. We are talking about a 16-core CPU with speeds maxing out at a blistering 5.1 GHz. Whether you are running incredibly heavy integrated development environments, compiling high-resolution video, or simply multitasking with 40 different browser tabs open at the exact same time, this processor does not even begin to break a sweat. But it actually gets even better than that. This laptop is officially labeled as AI ready. With the brand new Intel Core Ultra architecture, you are getting dedicated hardware specifically designed to handle localized artificial intelligence tasks. This means features like intelligent background blur on video calls, advanced noise cancellation, and local AI software generation run directly on the processor without draining your battery or requiring a constant internet connection, effectively making your machine completely future-proof for the next generation of smart software. To support that absolute beast of a processor, Lenovo has generously equipped this model with 16 gigabytes of next-generation DDR5 memory. If you are still using a laptop with older RAM, let me tell you, DDR5 gives you significantly faster data transfer speeds. This means absolutely zero lag or stuttering when you are rapidly switching between heavy applications. And for the extreme power users out there who always want more, the memory is fully upgradable to a maximum of 64 gigabytes. For your storage needs, it features a 512 gigabyte solid-state drive. This modern storage interface provides lightning-fast system boot times, instantaneous application launches, and plenty of secure room for all your essential business files, heavy coding projects, and large software suites. Now, you might be wondering about the graphics capabilities, especially since this is marketed primarily as a business and developer machine. While this is definitely not a dedicated gaming rig, it features Intel Arc graphics integrated right into the system. Intel Arc represents a massive leap forward for integrated graphical processing. It has more than enough graphical horsepower to smoothly handle light video editing, complex graphic design workloads, hardware acceleration for your professional creative applications, and it can even handle some casual gaming when you are finally off the clock and ready to relax. You simply cannot do a proper review of a Lenovo ThinkPad without dedicating some time to the keyboard because it is universally recognized as the absolute gold standard in the laptop industry, and the E16 Gen 3 proudly continues that legacy. You get a beautifully spaced, full-size backlit keyboard. The backlighting is an absolute lifesaver for typing in dimly lit environments like late-night flights or dark presentation rooms. And yes, it includes a dedicated numeric keypad right there on the right side. If your daily routine involves heavy data entry, accounting, or financial forecasting, that numeric keypad is an absolute lifesaver that will drastically speed up your workflow. Sitting just below that incredible keyboard is a spacious, highly responsive touchpad that supports all the multi-touch gestures of Windows. And speaking of Windows, this machine comes with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed right out of the box, bringing you advanced networking and management tools. For physical security, Lenovo has seamlessly integrated a highly accurate fingerprint reader. Your sensitive corporate data and personal files are locked down with enterprise-grade security. A simple quick tap of your finger, and you are logged in securely in a fraction of a second. One of my biggest frustrations with modern, ultra-thin laptops is what I like to call the dongle life. Having to carry around a dedicated bag full of expensive adapters just to plug in a simple USB flash drive or an external monitor. Thankfully, Lenovo completely eliminates that headache. The connectivity options on the ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 are truly exceptional. You are getting a grand total of 7 functional ports. This includes 4 USB ports, featuring both standard USB-A for your legacy devices and modern USB Type-C, which includes the ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 technology. You also get a full-sized HDMI video output for easily connecting to projectors or external displays, a dedicated Ethernet port for secure wired internet connections when you're at the office, and your standard headphone and microphone combo jack. On the wireless connectivity side, it is fully equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring you get the absolute fastest, most stable internet connections currently available, plus Bluetooth 5.3 to seamlessly connect all your wireless mice, premium headphones, and mobile devices without any annoying dropouts. Finally, we have to talk about endurance. Lenovo specifically highlights long battery life for this model, and thanks to the incredible power efficiency of that Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, you can confidently leave the heavy charging brick at home. The system is meticulously optimized to get you through a full day's worth of coding, writing, and intensive web browsing without constantly making you look around the room for an available wall outlet. So, when you look at the complete package, who is the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 actually built for? Well, it already boasts an impressive 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon from real verified customer reviews, making it a top-tier contender in the traditional laptop space. If you are a software developer looking for an ultra-reliable coding environment, a busy business executive needing a secure, highly capable travel companion, or a dedicated student who wants an investment that will easily last through a 4-year degree and well into your professional career, this is exactly the laptop you have been looking for. The perfect combination of the Intel Ultra 7 processor, the blazing DDR5 memory, that highly productive 16:10 display, and that unbeatable world-class ThinkPad keyboard makes this one of the smartest technological investments you can make for your personal productivity in 2026. If you want to pick up the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 3 for yourself, or if you just want to check today's current pricing and read through some of those highly positive customer reviews, make sure to click the very first link in the description down below. Buying your gear through that Amazon link directly supports this channel and helps me continue to bring you more in-depth, hands-on tech reviews exactly like this one. Do you have any specific questions about this laptop or its performance? Drop a comment down below. I read as many as I possibly can, and I would love to chat with you and help you out. If you found this review helpful and informative, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews, unboxings, and productivity gear recommendations. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Keep working hard, stay productive, and I will see you all in the next video.